Hey everyone, it's Anne. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Spend More Get More offers on your Shopify store using the BOGOS app. So what exactly is a Spend More Get More offer? It's simple. The more your customers spend in a single order, the bigger the reward they unlock. There will be 3 common use of this offer based on your specific rewards. First, tiered discounts where customers get bigger discounts as they buy more. For example, buy 1 item and get 10% off, buy 2 for 20% off, or buy 3 for 50% off. You can set this up using Shopify's built-in discount feature, which I'll show you in the future. Second, tiered offers where the more customers spend, the more valuable their rewards become, like free shipping at $50, a small gift at $100, and a bigger one at $150. For more details, you can click the link to a detailed tutorial I've dropped in the description. And third, gift multiplier, where customers earn more gifts based on their spending. For example, spend $100, get 1 bandana, spend $200, get 2 bandanas, and spend $300, get 3. This is the one I'll walk you through today. From your BOGOS dashboard, go to All Offers on the left side, click Create Offer, then choose Gift Offer and navigate to the Spend More Get More template. Fill in the offer name first. This is for your internal tracking so that customers won't see it. Then add the offer title. Finally, set its time period. Now, let's set up the main condition for the offer. In the Multiply Base Value field, enter the amount customers need to spend to unlock each tier. If your store serves multiple markets with different currencies, click Add Currency to customize the threshold for each market. Next, choose which products this condition applies to. If you want to add sub-conditions, choose from this list. Then move to the gift selection to decide what customers will receive. First, set the discount for your gift. Choose either a percentage or a fixed amount, then enter the value. Then select the products you want to offer as gifts. For the gift delivery, you have 2 options. If you want gifts added automatically, click Automatically Add All Gifts. If you want customers to choose their own gift from your selection, check Number of Gifts Customer Will Receive and set a smaller value than your total gift options. For example, I want my customers select 2 gifts from a list of 4 options. I'll choose 4 items from my store as gifts, and then enter 2 here. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Let me show you how this works on the storefront. I'll add some products to my cart to reach the first spending threshold. As I add more items and my cart value doubles, you can see the gift quantity automatically updates to 2. That's how you set up a Spend More, Get More offer on Shopify using the BOGOS app. If you want to try this out, get started with BOGOS's free plan, and your first 30 orders are free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.